YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you with another J Talks Crypto. I'm not gonna give too much of my opinion on what's going on in the world, because I don't want to make this a toxic video. We're just gonna talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin coming in at 18.3 right now. This is gonna have you guys so excited, and I'm not. I'm really not excited. I'm not excited. I'm not impressed. None of those things. And you know what? Bitcoin could be sitting at a new all-time high tomorrow, and I'm not gonna be excited. I'm not gonna be impressed. Because yeah, just like I said, every single time that we start losing our rights, the market starts pumping, and then when we think that the interest rates are going to go down, then the market dumps or something bad happens or something like that. So, in my opinion, this is just market manipulation. We're just losing our rights. It's nothing to celebrate. I already don't celebrate when the price goes up anyway because I don't like spending more money on things. That's dumb. But I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for the market to recover, so yeah, it's recovering. Hopefully, possibly, we'll see. Right? But let's look at Toshi because Toshi coins also seeing some positive price impact, starting to create higher lows here. Coming in at 316 million. So we just need to continue seeing more volume, right? This is so great, huh? As you guys can see, coming up on a key level of resistance here. Um, and yeah, I did not want to make a video today, but we're doing it. Let's talk about the rest of the we'll talk about the rest of this market too. Just see what's going on some of these other coins. As you can see, Ethereum up like 5%, Solana 5%. Kind of like we talked about, DeFi running pretty much everything that I said was true. Some people listened, other people don't listen. But we talked about DeFi probably leading. As you guys can see, almost every DeFi project now starting to lead, and this is kind of what an altcoin cycle would look like, right? Ethereum up, Solana up big. We're seeing Cardano also pumping, Litecoin pumping, a lot of stuff starting to see some volume, but it's mainly in these DeFi projects right now. Which again is why I said I'm not sleeping on things like Solana. I definitely for sure said don't sleep on Sui Coin. Sui Coin right now coming in at what, 12 billion, up 10%. I'm still not sleeping on Sui. Still not sleeping on it. Um, Looking like it might see another breakout, but we'll see. Again, we'll see. It's up to Bitcoin. I guess it's up to the government whether they want to pump our market or not. What a crappy alt cycle, man. I'm so pissed. I hate this cycle. This cycle sucks. This cycle is only benefiting extremely rich people right now, and it sucks. And it's the worst cycle. And yeah, it sucks. I'm pissed about it actually. But we'll see. We'll see what happens on Bitcoin. I'm sure it's going to be a lot of BS, and how much our market will actually move the rest of it. I don't know. I don't know. Um, but only time will tell. I want to know what you guys think, though. Are you enjoying this market manipulation? Are you having a good time? Have you been using this opportunity to be accumulating? Do you not think it's time to be accumulating? Are we going to be able to rip up to a new all-time high or see another rejection? That's really what I want to know. Again, it's looking like, things might start moving again. The fact that we didn't break down below this neckline, right? We talked about this shoulder, head, shoulder, and this neckline. Looks like we bounced off of it. Why? Because the government shut down. Do I think everybody's just so excited the government shut down? No. I just think that this was a dirty trick. And I just think that the market's moving because this is a dirty trick, not because people are more bullish than when they heard the interest rate was going to be lower. Or, right, the interest rate got lowered and the market dumped. How did that happen? And then we shut down the government. Now we're sitting at 119. Like, I hate this. I hate this, bro. This is so bad. This is the worst. This is the worst bull cycle I've ever covered, ever. And this is the worst bull cycle also that I've ever been a part of. And so I'm not impressed at all today. I don't care that Bitcoin's coming in at 118 because, again, we're losing our freedoms as a people, and that's very frustrating. That the things that should move the market don't move the market. Then as soon as we start losing some rights, the market starts pumping and nobody's asking the question. Everybody's just kind of like, oh, the market, like a goldfish, bro, like a freaking bird brain. But again, here we are making some higher lows on Toshi. Are we going to create a wedge here? Are we going to break down? Are we going to break up? We're finally starting to move again with Bitcoin going parabolic. What's going to happen going into the weekend? This is way too much early in the week price action for me. I mean, even if we do break up, either way, I'm pissed because we're losing rights, dude. And yeah, I'm just ready to go, dude. I'm ready to get out of this country because the common sense is just not common anymore. Um, but as you guys can see, Bitcoin also creating a rising wedge here. We have to be careful, right? Creating a rising wedge on a Wednesday, that's not a good thing to see. Um, this thing can still break down going into Thursday and into the weekend. Anything can happen. I would be paying attention, but again, at the same time, nobody knows what can happen. Only the politicians and the people of power, I guess, can decide what will happen. So we'll see. We'll continue to cover it, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.